So this is literally the best time to be in your 20s, guys. Like seriously. So if you think about it, we are leaving the age of the highest priced assets. So let's see here. I have the data here. So first of all, if you guys were thinking about buying a house, it was getting close to about $400,000 to buy the medium average home price in the US. And I live in California, so it's way worse than that. We also are leaving the time of the highest price stock market. So the Dow Jones capped out at about $36,000 and has been in decline ever since then. And then I like crypto, and it's been declining ever since the $69,000 per Bitcoin. And all crypto really follows Bitcoin. They're all in the same type of market. So guys, like I'm seriously telling you, like this is the best time to be in your 20s. If you can keep your expenses low, work hard, use that energy you have to make more money, and then wait until we hit the next recession that's bound to happen. Again, this is not financial advice, but this is just what I'm seeing. You will be able to accrue as many assets that you like, real estate, stocks, or crypto, with the amount of money that you have saved up and liquid. And over time, you'll be able to cash out when it's important. So right now, we don't need that money. Again, if you don't have a wife, you don't have kids, hopefully you might have a dog or a pet, you have low rent, hopefully not a mortgage. If you're able to just wait out on some of those things right now, use your energy to save up as much money as you can, buy assets. By the time you're in your 40s, that should be the next time the economy should be on an upswing, and that's actually the best time when you can actually use that money when you want to buy a house, you need to buy a car, or you're going to send your kids to college, or you have kids and you want to afford those kids. So right now, if you're in your 20s, it is literally like the best time right now. Most amount of energy, you need the least amount of expenses and food and housing or whatever. So the people that are really going to feel this are those that are coming out of the labor market, coming out of the workforce, because they're going to want to live off of their assets that just took a nosedive today at about 600 points in one day. So these people are going to deal with high inflation. They're not going to be able to buy as many things as they could have with their dollar. I think we lost about 8% in the last year. And all their savings in their 401k is at its lowest. It has been in years. So those are the people that's going to affect, the recession. Us 21-year-olds, we're 21-year-olds, 20-year-olds. This is the best time. Earn as much money as you can right now. Keep it liquid. Keep it, available and around. Start eyeing the assets you like, crypto, stocks, real estate, and wait till the market starts to bottom. Look for the next interest rate hikes from the Fed. That's when things will start to tighten and tighten and tighten, and prices drop and drop and drop. So as the Fed increases rates, prices will continue to drop. That's monetary tightening. Check out Ray Dalio if you want to learn more about that. But wait, be patient, wait. Make as much money as you can, keep it liquid, wait to buy these assets, guys. And this is going to be the best time of our lives to cash in on that and see the benefits of the future. This recession is not going to affect us. I mean, it will in some ways, but luckily we're young enough to go through this bad time. Help the older folks if they need any help. All right, guys.